Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So a big time gap up for the SPY bulls, and they certainly held on to that strength without seeing much profit taking all day with sideways trading. And the bulls will certainly take that with the size of the gap up that we saw. So new all-time highs, 268.60. The stock charts adjust for the dividend distribution, which is an artificial change in price, which is why I use stock charts. So we are watching support of 267.98. If that level breaks, we're going to look to be consolidating back down towards filling the gap. Gap will fill at 267.04. And our new all-time high of resistance is right up at the upper Bollinger Band, 268.60. Weekly time frame for SPY, bulls still in full control, no sign of slowdown, and again, a really strong start to this week, but we could very easily see healthy consolidation heading into the middle of this week due to the big gap up. IWM, big gap up as well. Bulls held on to the gains a little bit stronger, and here we are right back at the all-time high. So 154.72 and 154, make that 155.41 are the next two and the only two resistances. The gap to fill here would be 153.25, but as you can see, we are a lot further from breaking the low of today's support than we are compared to SPY, which closed right near the low of the day. IWM on the weekly, higher low established now at 149.64, the low of last week, and trying to get that higher high and bullish follow through. QQQ, huge gap up and follow through. So it was the tech sector that was behind a lot of this strength, but honestly, the past couple days, the financial sector has been on fire as well. As we know from all of this year, when we have both of those sectors going in the same direction, we have extreme strength and correlation for these bulls, and that is what we saw today, and that's what we've been seeing the last few days. So big time follow through, up above the upper Bollinger Band for QQQ. The gap to fill would be 157.49. But this is the strongest close of the three, and we are looking at 158.77, 159, and 160 as psychological resistances after that. So in terms of strength, we've got QQQ the strongest, SPY the middle of the road, and IWM the weakest. Certainly a relative term when I call it the weakest because it's compared to some raging bulls. The tech names, the big bulls, are hitting all-time highs. Apple and Google hit all-time highs today. Facebook and Amazon are looking to get them next. Tons of strength out there. If you've been watching the market trade these blockchain names, the market is drunk on cryptocurrency, and there's just a ton of money flying around, and that's not changing anytime soon. We're keeping an eye out for it, but until then, bulls are on parade. We'll check back in tomorrow. See you then.